Hey guys, welcome to the new vlog. होप सारे ठीक होंगे। सत श्री अकाल जी सारे नू। ਅੱਜ ਮਾਸਟਰ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਔਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਲਿੱਪਸ ਦੇਖ ਲੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮਾਸਟਰ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡੀ ਕੇਕ ਦੀ ਮਾਸਟਰ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਖਾਣਾ। ਸਟੇ ਟਿਊਨ।
Excited when he did the elephant. Have you seen his picture, like
Yes.
profile?
Yes.
He did a life-size elephant in Mumbai, ecology.
It's like 8 feet by 10 feet long.
That's really big. That's what excited. And then I went to him. He just asked, "You wanted to become as a baker or an artist?" I said, "No, I don't know anything."
He wasn't in this industry. He doesn't.
Most of you guys know that.
Yeah, he wasn't in this industry. So imagine if you're an artist, people who been here, they've been working for years. And if you're an artist, you can come there. You understand? So much of value you get because if you're an artist. So it's a very different ball game. Yeah, the guest is very good mandatory. It's unexpected. Okay. Underwater. I love aquariums. So I wanted to be marine biologist, but very unfortunate that India doesn't have too many courses on that.
Yeah.
So I could not study anything. But still, I have a big aquarium at home, like a marine aquarium. I study water chemistry. And maybe I would have married a foreigner. I don't know. Because I really don't know what I would have done back in 2000 because I wasn't married. You know, I was a very different guy at the time. So I don't know. Maybe that if I go these kind of cakes, where and all the gravity works, there and all you can't put cakes. There's no rule for the shape, okay? Because few bird can be fat when they eat. Few birds can, I would say blue. Blue or pink. Yeah. No, I don't know. I like two colors. Basically, you see even my phone inside wallpapers I choose. Either I choose blue or I choose pink. I like it's. I don't know. The people, I don't know how to generalize the color as male and female and stuff. That is so wrong. Okay? It's a color according to me. Okay? And I love to play around with color. And these two colors, I just like it. Okay? And there is one more color which people doesn't know. It's called as living coral color.
Yes. Which color? Yes.
Living coral color. Okay? It is color of the year for Pantone. I think Pantone 2080 or something. Oh, I love that color. I in fact wanted to make my entire institute that color only.
Like the turquoise-ish.
No.
And what is it?
It's more like a pinkish itself, but it's a mixture. Yeah, it's a mixture of pink and orange.
But actually, it turned out to be the.
Then roll. And then use my tool. Smooth. It'll pretty much vanish where it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm just doing it very rough, very. See, when I work on these kind of round shapes, I don't put my fingers. Have you seen? I'm even touching with finger now. Palm is best to work. This you can apply this technique to even your baking. Wherever you think you want smooth, just use your palm. Now, Papa, na.
It's okay, don't worry.
Recipe work out madam.
जी यार थक गए बस उन एम्बियंस क्रॉस कर रहे हैं कॉलेज से तो छुट्टी हो गई थी जल्दी और हम बस घर जा रहे हैं थक गए यार पूरा दिन खड़े रहे मतलब 9:15 बजे क्लास चालू हो गई सी और बस फिर 9:15 तो लैके शाम के 6 6:30 क्लास ओवर हुई है और क्लास बहुत अच्छी रही बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और जेडे शेफ सी मतलब नो वर्ड्स टू से बट he was mind-blowing chef and I liked him very much मैं मुंबई बेंगलुरु गया इन फ्यूचर तो मैं उन्होंने दी अकेडमी ज़रूर होके आवांगा उन्होंने अपना इंस्टा वगैरह सब ऐड करा लिया एंड फोटोज़ क्लिक करिया ने केक दी मतलब सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स तो दिख गए होने ने पिछले क्लिप्स और मतलब बहुत अच्छा क्लास रही और बहुत सीखने को मिला एंड यार बस घर जा रहे हैं शाम की ज़िंदगी निकलनी है और एयरपोर्ट वाला फ्लाईओवर है हम घर जाके देखते हैं घर जाके देखते हैं कि जिम जाना ही नहीं जाना जे गए तो अगले क्लिप च दिख जाएगी नहीं तो फिर इसी क्लिप च बाय
ਇੱਕ ਸੀਗਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੋਕ ਤਾਨੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਬੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੀਗੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੱਜ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਔਕਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਬਾਈ ਆਖ ਕੇ ਸੀ ਹੱਸਦੇ